Anyone driving on busy Route 1 north of Bath is seeing some big construction going on, and it's going to be there for a while.
The $35 million project to replace a bridge began about a month ago, and part of the overall project is being done to block future damage from climate change. News Center Maine's Don Carrigan has the story from Woolwich.
A long road, even a temporary one, has to start somewhere. This one starts with a bridge.
We're going to build 1,400 feet of earth road and a 750-foot bridge and a 150-foot bridge, and detour the traffic onto that in August.
And that's when the permanent building will start. Reed & Reed Construction will replace what's called the Station 46 bridge on Route 1 in Woolwich, near the Taste of Maine restaurant. It will also build a second bridge at the other end of the job to let salt water flow more easily from Pleasant Cove under the road and into the marsh. And one piece of this project makes it even more complicated. This road, US Route 1, has to be raised up 6 feet higher than it is now. That's because the road occasionally floods on a high tide. And with climate change, they don't want that happening any longer. Devin Eaton is project manager for the Maine DOT.
So it gives us an opportunity to protect Route 1 and really give it the resiliency that we'd like for one of our most important roads in the state.
Because the road runs right through the marsh, Superintendent Peter Garrett says they will have to install special drains and then cover the entire road with as much as 11 feet of gravel. It will sit there for a year while the weight of the gravel squeezes the water out.
And everything will just sit and look like nothing's happening, but the ground will actually be settling.
During that time, he says, they'll be building the new bridges. Both the contractor and the DOT say Route 1 traffic should not see too many delays despite the detour.
Our ultimate goal the whole time during design was to keep up one lane of traffic going in each direction as is current on Route 1.
Local residents in Woolwich will have one end of their George Wright Road closed off during construction, forcing them to use the intersection near the town office. The DOT will install a traffic light.
They've promised some short-term improvements, and we're actually in discussions about some long-term improvements.
The DOT says speeds on Route 1 will be reduced, but believes that traffic should keep flowing smoothly even during tourist season. And drivers will need to get used to it. The project is scheduled to wrap up late in 2024. In Woolwich, Don Carrigan, News Center, Maine.
And that project is moving quickly right now. They hope to have all of the temporary bridges and roads ready for traffic sometime in July, if possible.